Hey guys, it's Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead. Welcome back to the channel. And it's hunting season. Bow season just started this past weekend, and I am nowhere ready. You've seen us do some work on our deer lease on the last video. I'm here on my property. I need to get the finish getting it cleaned up and open up the trails, and we've still got a few things that I'm not going to be able to run through here with my machine and be able to check trail cameras, because I've got to get those set out next. But I don't know if you can tell, there's a big pine tree hung up in another pine tree. We have another one here, and we've got dead pine trees. We've got trees that are still hung up from this past tornado. So, and this is one of our main trails, and I've got to be careful coming through here. But I've got to get these things down. But I need to get these trails opened up also, so I can at least come through here and check my cameras, check the traps. But yeah, so you can see another tree down. Got one right over here hanging. So basically I'm just going to cut a path through here so my tractor can get through here for now, and then I need to get this thing bush hogged. It's pretty clean. But yeah, got a lot of work. The house we're going to build is right through here, right through here. But these Hannah rides her horse out here, and I need to get these widow makers down as soon as possible. I'm gonna get this opened up and come and go around my main trail to make sure everything is opened up. I've already done some bush hogging back on the other side of the property, but yeah, a lot of work to do. Never can catch up. Alright guys, you can see that didn't take no time, less than 5 minutes. I carry a pole saw with me everywhere I go on the back of the bush hog, and when I need to do something like I just did, I just put it on the ground out of the way and just push all that stuff off out of the way, and I'll pick it up here later. I'll pick all that up later, but you can see I've opened this completely up. My tractor fits through it, and now all I'm gonna do is just continue on around the trail to make sure I don't have anything else. lot of trees down. A lot of trees down.